Okay, in this video I'm going to explain what parentheses are, how we use them in multiplication. So by the end of this you'll know what the word parentheses is and what they look like and how they affect multiplication. Alright, let's go. So, they really only... How do I want to say it? Okay, the way we're looking at it in our math is not my favorite way, to be perfectly honest. But the habit that you need to try and pick up is that what we do first if there's parentheses. So these right here, actually let me make them blue. Okay, so this is 2 times 3 times 10. 2 times 3 is 6, times 10 is 60. Okay, so that's 60. If I look at it this way, 10 times 3 is 30, times 2 is 60. What else? 10 times 2 is 20, times 3 is 60. So any way you go about it, it's going to be 60. Okay, the way that we're looking at parentheses and what we're tying it into is through volume. I just erased those, didn't I? Sorry about that. So what we're going to do is we want to take a look at a rectangular prism, and we're looking at its base. So the base is here. So this would be 3, and this would be 2, and then what is not in parentheses is the height. Okay, so this is saying that I have when we're using it this way, we're saying that inside this parentheses is my base. So that is the length and the width, and then the number outside is the height. Okay, a lot of times this doesn't matter when we're thinking about a rectangular prism, but the height does. Okay. Okay, so for example, here, let's do it this way maybe. This is one layer, okay? And this layer is 3 by 2. Alright? Now let's try and get this. So we have 3 cubes and we have that twice. So we have a 3 by 2. Now, right now this is only one layer. Okay? To make this figure, I would need 9 more. Alright? So here's my 2 by 3. Okay, that's in the parentheses. I have 2 by 3. Here's now, my height is now 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think these 2. That might be better. 8, 9, whoa! That was exciting. There was no earthquake, I promise. I just need to get a better stand. 9, 10. Okay, so this is now this thing here. There we go. We have 3 by 2, and it is 10 tall. Okay? Alright, so that's what this equation is. This is saying I have a base that's 2 by 3. So I could change it this way. I could do... Here, let me think about this. I could have it 2 by 3, and it's 10 tall. Right, that's the same. I could also have it 10 by... This would be what? 10 by... Oops, sorry. 10 by 2, and it's 3 tall. I can also have it 10 by 3 and 2 tall. Or 3 by 10 and 2 tall. So I have all of these. But the important number in these equations, or these expressions, that your base, whatever your base is, so I can have a 2 by 3 base, a 3 by 2 base, so this could be my base, and I have it on there 10 times. This could be my base down here, sorry, which is a 10 by 3, or 10 by 2, sorry. This could be my base. So it all depends how you're looking at things, okay? But you need to understand your base versus your height, okay? Base versus height. Base versus height. So that would be another thing too. So this is our base, and this is our height. So we will be looking for that understanding. That inside the parentheses is your base, and then the third number in the multiplication is your height. Okay, that's how we're using parentheses now. There's other uses of parentheses, and we'll talk about that maybe at some other point, but right now it's just that. It's just that the parentheses equal the base of the object that you have. All right.